Can you remember who this is? Can you remember what happened to her?
That's right. This is Susie. Remember, Susie loves skiing, and she loves skiing fast. She skis so fast that she often falls, which is exactly what happened on this day.
What happened to Susie?
While she was skiing, two things happened. She passed the tree and she fell. But which happened first? First, she passed the tree and then she fell.
When we are talking about two things which happened in the past perfect describes the first action, the action before the main action. And the past simple describes the second action or the main action. We form the past perfect with the subject plus had or hadn't and the past participle. To make the question form of the past perfect, we invert the subject and had. Had she passed the tree?
Susie wasn't so lucky the second time. She didn't get so far. She hadn't passed the tree when she fell. Better luck next time, Susie.